In computer science, there are various types of software that serve different purposes. Here are some common types of software along with examples. Operating systems (OS). An operating system manages computer hardware and software resources and provides services for other software applications. Examples include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Application software. Application software refers to programs designed for specific tasks or applications. Some examples include A. Word processors, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, LibreOffice Writer. B. Spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, LibreOffice Calc, Circa. Web browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. D. Media players, VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player, iTunes. E. Graphic design software, Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, Corel Draw. F. Video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. Programming languages. Programming languages are used to write software programs. Examples include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, Ruby, and Swift. Compilers. Compilers translate high-level programming languages into machine code that can be executed by a computer. Examples include GCC, GNU Compiler Collection Clang, and Microsoft Visual C++. Integrated development environments (IDEs) are software tools that provide comprehensive environments for software development. They typically include a text editor, debugger, compiler, and other tools. Examples include Visual Studio, Eclipse, Xcode, and IntelliJ IDEA. Database management systems (DBMS). DBMS software is used to manage and manipulate databases. Examples include Oracle Database, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and PostgreSQL. Web development frameworks. Web development frameworks provide tools and libraries to simplify web application development. Examples include Ruby on Rails, Django, Laravel, and Angular. Content management systems (CMS). CMS software helps manage and publish digital content. Examples include WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and Magento. Security software. Security software is designed to protect computer systems from threats and vulnerabilities. Examples include antivirus software, e.g., Norton, McAfee firewalls, e.g., ZoneAlarm, pfSense, and encryption tools, e.g., Veracrypt, BitLocker. Virtualization software. Virtualization software allows running multiple operating systems or virtual machines on a single physical machine. Examples include VMware Workstation, VirtualBox, and Hyper-V. These are just a few examples of the different types of software in computer science. The field is vast and constantly evolving, with new software types and tools being developed regularly.